Question 26, find the average rate of change for f of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 22 from x equals 5 to x equals 7. Okay, so we're finding the average rate of change, which, if you'll remember, some helpful hints here, we're going to evaluate our function at f equals 5, then we're going to evaluate our function at x equals 7, and then we're going to use the slope formula to find the average rate of change. This is what we're going to do in the end to get our answer. But notice they only gave me my values for x. I don't know what my y values are. So I'm going to start off by evaluating the function at each of those x terms. So 5 is first. So f of 5 equals, and I'm just literally plugging in that 5 into where the x was. So 5 squared plus 4 times 5 plus 22. I plugged this all into my calculator and I got 67. I did it again for when f equals 7. So now, the 7, I went in and I just plugged that in for where the x was. So 7 squared plus 4 times 7 plus 22 equals, in this case, 99 when I plugged it all in. So now I can go ahead and use my formula here for the average rate of change to find my answer. So here's my y's. This might also be helpful to you. So this first number, or the first coordinate, excuse me, my x was 5 and my y was 67. So this is like my x1 and my y1. And then the second values I found, 7 and 99, this is going to be my y, oops, excuse me, my x, my x2, and my y2. Okay, so that's where I got these values from to plug in. My y2 was 99, my y1 was 67. Subtract them from one another. And then my x's, my x2 was 7, my x1 was 5. When I simplify this, 99 minus 67 gives me 33, and then 7 minus 5 gives me 2. And when I divide, I get 16. So my final answer for the average rate of change between those two values is 16.